Today we're in Florida, where a very ill-prepared Sovcit is trying to convince the judge that he's not the guy that's supposed to be in front of him. Let's go ahead and watch the video.
I have my rights and I want a lawyer.
Habeas Morris.
I'll come to the jail and talk to you.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Very cool suit the guy's got on there. You can't miss it.
How you doing this morning?
I'm well. How are you?
Fine.
Morris had previously, there was one case that I was already representing him on. I don't know that we ever got one on this most recent charge. Okay.
Let me see.
Mr. Morris, I know Mr. Hill was representing you in the 23174 case. You're here for an arraignment on the 24 CF49 case. Has your financial circumstances changed?
No, sir.
All right, I'm going to appoint the law officer here, Mark Sims, to represent you in the 24 case.
I go state this to the court.
You raise your right hand and
Yes.
now that Mr. Hill is representing you. You probably want to talk to Mr. Hill before you say anything. We're recording this proceeding, so anything you say may be used against you. But I'm listening to whatever you want me to consider.
Our Sovcit here is not very well prepared. Not very well prepared at all. You're going to see this. It's actually probably the worst Sovcit I've seen so far in a courtroom. This poor guy. Unbelievably well, ill-informed in his so-called belief system.
I'm not real sure what Mr. Morris is trying to claim, and that's writing right there said he's not a citizen and something about a secured.
My name is Alize Morris, a secure party creditor under the UCC1 filed in Florida. American national being held in custody in Gulf County, which is not a 14th Amendment citizen of the United States, not a record. So documentation, which is official records, to state it. I'm the agent of the said principal.
Who wrote that for you?
I did.
Why do you need to read it if you know what you're talking about?
This memory
Okay. Tell me what the 14th Amendment says.
that you were considered a slave under the 14th Amendment.
That who's considered a slave? I'm not a slave.
No, the incarcerated person. This if you commit a crime
Okay. Doesn't say if you commit a crime.
or yeah.
That's not what it reads.
I got the 14th Amendment really wasn't in the book.
What
Yeah.
book?
The book that we have in the back.
What book do you have in the back?
It's a law book.
What law book is it?
Florida statute book. Yes.
So the 14th Amendment is in the Florida statutes? That's because it's an amendment to the U.S. Constitution. So you don't know what the 14th Amendment reads?
The 14th Amendment reads not off on the top. Not off.
Okay.
That's why I've written
What else do you want me to consider?
that I'm a secure party creditor under the UCC1.
This judge is having a little bit of fun with this guy. He doesn't know a thing of what he is supposed to say in the Sovcitology. What do you call it? Space. He doesn't know what to say. And this judge is having fun with him. It's so cool to watch.
Tell me what the UCC 1 reads.
I wish I had my documentation in front of me to present it all the way. I wish I had someone here that was supposed to be here so I can have it.
I asked you who wrote that for you. You said you did.
I wrote it. Yes.
So do you know what you're talking about?
Yes, sir.
All right, so tell me what the UCC 1 reads.
Of the state to maintain uniform commercial code records and database of judgment liens maintained by the Secretary of State.
So tell me what UCC 1 reads.
It's a statement and it's a financial.
You don't know what the UCC 1 reads, do you?
Not on top.
You're not prepared. You're not prepared this morning with your sovereign citizen argument.
No,
You needed some additional time to prepare.
Yes, sir.
I'll give you some additional time to prepare your sovereign citizen argument. When do you want to come back?
I would ask that he's got two cases. I know one we've got already got the discovery on that I need to go meet with him at the jail and go over. being at the jail, I mean, I can find time between now and May 9th to go to the jail and take care of that.
All right, Mr. Morrison, you come back. Usually when sovereign citizens come in the courtroom, at least they can recite from memory a lot of the stuff they travel under. So next time you want to come with your sovereign citizen argument, be prepared, okay? I'll listen to you, but be prepared.
Yes.
But you're not doing justice to your fellow traveling nationals who consider themselves sovereign citizens if you're not prepared to even articulate what the argument is, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, we'll see you May 9th at 1:30.
Today.
Be prepared next time, all right?
Yes, sir.
It should have a constitution in the back so you can read the 14th Amendment and be able to tell me what it reads. And
What it says right here. What is state?
we're going to May 9th at 1:30.
Machine into a contract.
That's not a contract. That's giving you notice that you're going to come back.
Just making sure.
You're fine. I'm not going to query you about what a contract is, but we'll talk about whatever you want me to consider next time.
All right, so that's the end of the first proceeding, right? Judge told him, man, you're not prepared. You don't know how to represent yourself. You need to get your story right. So let's see second round what happens. Now, remember, this guy's got a lawyer representing him as well. Let's go ahead and see what happens on the second round, if he's any better at that.
I have brought to court with me during the recess the paperwork that was delivered by a private citizen for Mr. Morris. I have removed the binder clip that I had on it. There are no staples. There are no paper clips in the packet. It's simply a packet of prepared documents.
Okay. All right, Mr. Morris. Now that you have your paperwork, anything else you want me to consider?
Yes, sir. I'm looking through it now, sir.
Okay.
I ain't seen it in a minute. Mr. Common Trust. Just speaking about the trust. This was the UCC, just financial statement. This was the UCC statement.
Yeah, I'm going to go out on a limb and say, no, he's not prepared. He's not prepared at all. But I might be wrong. Let's see what happens. Yeah.
With my own Alizé Morris and the trust name, the principal name was Octavius Alizé Taquan Jr. Again, it says, this is the entry of collateral by trustee / secure party credit on behalf of the trust estate. It's Octavius Alizé Taquan Jr. Trust in the commercial chambers under necessity to secure the rights, title, interest, and value therefore in, and the root or title from inception, as well as all property held in trust, including but not limited to DNA, cDNA, cell lines. There's I don't know that word is right there.
Mr. Morris, I thought you said that they arrested the wrong person. They had the wrong person in jail. That's why I'm not sure what you're talking about some trust in your DNA and cDNA.
That says retina scans is what that said.
Okay.
Or retina scan.
Hold on.
Do we need to check your fingerprints or scan your retina to verify? Is that what you're asking me to do?
Oh, can you read this? I can't really read it like that.
Let me see. Maybe I'm not sure what's going on. You told me you were not Zatavius Morris. And then you just started reading something from a sheet of paper that says Zatavius Elise Taquan Morris.
Okay.
So are you or are you not Zatavius Elise Taquan Morris?
No, sir.
All right, Ms. Smith,
My name, this is right here, sir. It's on. You probably can have a good chance reading it. Right here. This right here.
This guy has no idea what he has to do. He's got no idea. Wasting his time, wasting the judge's time, and the judge is getting a little bit annoyed with him, it looks like.
Bill of service, tort and violation. Just had a judge look at this. I can't read all this stuff. Not to you. Others and more secure party, Billy, and principal of you or the agent fail not to. I don't know what that word is right there. To your oath. That should be called to answer before one God and the most supreme.
I can't hear you, Mr. Moore.
All this.
Oh, sir. I want to call you Mr. Morris if that's not your name. Let me ask you this, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you saying I'm looking at a complaint affidavit here, and on December 5th, according to this complaint affidavit, Gulf County Sheriff's Department pulled you over while you were driving and arrested you, and they ran your name, Z. Morris, came back as a convicted felon. And are you telling me that your name is not Zatavius Morris, or you're not the person they arrested on December 5th? What are you telling? Did you give a false name? What are you telling me?
I ain't giving no false name, Your Honor.
How did they get that name, Zatavius Elise Morris?
Well,
you don't answer that question. That probably has to do with. I'm trying to figure out. Maybe Mr. Hill, you can help me. Is he saying that the sheriff's department arrested the wrong person?
Your Honor, as much as I can.
That lawyer is as confused as a judge.
Well, don't disclose any confidential, privileged information.
I raised issues when I had my pretrial discovery meeting with Mr. Morris pertaining to this case, because that's the only one I've got discovery on.
Yes, sir.
And I've done some independent research into that. Mr. Morris, or this individual, has this information that he's saying that he is not the person.
I'll take a look at whatever you want me to. I'm looking at the complaint affidavit. They said they had your driver's. They said you have your driver's license, and they ran your driver's license with that name.
I don't have a driver's license, sir. I had a. It was a. What it was? Restrict somewhere. You read the last page.
Oh, I'm looking at legal notice and demand to all state, federal, and international public officials. This is a contract and admiralty. This is some of that sovereign citizen nonsense.
Yep, that's what it is. Now I must listen to this judge.
I thought you were saying that they arrested the wrong person. Because I'm not listening to any of that sovereign citizen nonsense. You told me they arrested the wrong person. If you're talking about admiralty law and that the first page was a trust and that you're the debtor, I'm not listening to any of that nonsense. When are we coming back?
Your discretion, Judge. I can tell you I've got discovery on the first case. I don't have discovery yet on the second case. I'm at your discretion, Judge.
Ms. Smith, when do you want to come back?
Judge, let's do the 6/27, our next available, Your Honor.
Okay, we'll come. And Mr. Morris, I'm not trying to be disrespectful, but I thought you were telling me they arrested the wrong person. I certainly don't want someone who hasn't. If you're the wrong person that they arrested, I didn't want you sitting in the county jail. But what you gave me was like some of that admiralty law, sovereign citizen. I travel. I don't drive. I don't have jurisdiction over you. I'm not listening to that stuff.
Your Honor,
yes, sir.
You didn't get what I said. That was the agent of the principal. You know what I'm saying?
I'm not sure how you, the principal and the agent of your own. I'm not listening to that. Now, if you are wrongfully arrested, that's what I thought you were saying. I certainly want to listen to that. But if you are talking about trust and being the agent, and you're not the principal, and I saw something about admiralty law, I'm not listening to that.
What?
I will see you on the 27th of June.
All right, so that's the end of this one. This judge is not taking any nonsense from this Sovcit. He was trying to help the guy, but as soon as it came out, he's actually a Sovcit. He wasn't doing it. He wasn't doing it. Not today. Very interesting. Guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate your time. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and say hi in the comments down below. It does help us a lot. Great stuff. I'll see you in the next video.